Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Wendy's Kooky Crochet Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be steam blocking this kind of shawl here. And this pattern is by Whimsical Row, the little corset and the collar and the shawl here. This mushroom hat is by me, and it will be on my YouTube channel sooner than later, hopefully. And so really what I'm doing here is I got this off of Amazon, and I really haven't used any steam blocking anything that much, but I really wanted to do this instead of laying it out flat and blocking it that way, because I'm getting into some larger projects like this one, and it's really not realistic anymore for me to be laying stuff out flat like that. So here I'm just kind of going over it. This is going to make it lay nicely. And I'm making sure that I go over like all of these little things like this right here really well. This little machine I got off of Amazon, it was really cheap, so I don't know how much it cost, but I do know it was not expensive. And obviously this is not something I do professionally, steam block stuff or steam clothes or anything of that nature, so I don't need anything really fancy or anything like that. I just need something that'll kind of do the job of the steam blocking here. I don't know if it'll stay. I'm going to try to see if this will stay. Make sure that you put your steamer like on a flat surface that is not flammable or will not combust or anything of that nature. You definitely don't want it burning anything. You don't want it to burn you either. So make sure you're not pushing this at like your hands or anything like that, because you want to make sure that you're super safe with it. If I remember, I'll try to put the link to this one down in the comments, but I think it's going to turn out really nice after this dries and after everything's blocked. So it should anyway turn out lovely, just lovely, guys. So anyway, this is a technique that I do pretty much every time I make any type of thing that's going to be worn or clothing. I don't want to do it like up here though, or on the corset, but I definitely want to do it on these really little parts right here. So I'm going to do it right like this, and I'm going to turn it off. And I'm probably going to do a little bit more off camera, but I don't want to bore you guys to death with it. And then I'm going to kind of drape it so it will stay the way that I need it to. Here, actually, I'm going to turn it back on and just do a little bit more down here right now while we're on camera of the steaming. And again, this is obviously just for household use. It's just for simple little things, nothing too dramatic here. So just make these edges pop a little bit more. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video and kind of learned something about how I do some of my outfits. This is especially handy with something like the coats that I make, or some of the cardigans that I make, some of that kinds of stuff. And it will be very handy for this also. It'll make the drape look much better. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and happy hooking, everybody.